So, hi everyone. So, I am Roy and here's Brian. So, our project is from UNL School of Computing, Professor Cui and Professor Wang. And main problem is unlocking municipal bond. So, here our stakeholder. So, our project manager is Melanie Kluger, right? And she mostly helping us with like the project and connecting with the sponsor. And our tribe lead, Professor Cui, she mainly helping us with like the assignment and the lab report. And our coach, Tom Chapler, he from SPE, and he helping us with like the career idea. So here's our stakeholder, also our stakeholder. Professor Wang is primary contact. She also our sponsor. So she helping us with like understand what is municipal bond is, and also providing us with like funding and helping us with like all the like financial problem. And again, our Professor Sui, she our technical contact, and she helping us with like creating idea or if we have some issue with like our project, we come to her. And our mentor, Howlin Kiel, he is a graduate student from professor about like financial, and he helping us with like all the previous work and data that he has. So here's our team. I'm Roy. This one doesn't have. So I'm Roy, I'm product manager, and Brian?
I'm Brian Onyango, I'm the development lead.
So Kwa, Gates, Kyle, and Stephanie is our developer. I think they forgot to update our slide. So what is municipal bond and municipal bond, and what is the problem, what is the opportunity that we saw? So municipal bond is the loan that you gave to the government. So some of the municipal bond is really long. First of all, like all the official document is really long. It's around 20 pages and can come up to like 200 pages. So it's long and time consuming. It's pretty like complex PDF with a lot of like information contained in there. And some of them that the investor who don't need all of that information. And besides, one critical issue of financial problem is like some of the municipal bond official statement, they didn't have the credit rating. So based on that, they lack up like time to and expertise to like evaluate all of these documents and couldn't ensure it's safe for the city to like lending those investment. So based on that, it's all make like the expensive for municipalities and limited the who should invest in this investment. So here's the opportunity. So we can apply the AI and natural language process to automate all the extraction of key financial and legal data from the bond PDF. And we can help the investor have a friendly dashboard and give them the right information that instantly, so them can like directly understand what is this bond and how they can invest, how can they invest that. So it's just so our applications make the municipal financial information more transparent, efficient, and fair for both issuer and investor to look at. And I will pass for Brian to talk about our product.
For our product solution, we created a web application with an interactive dashboard, which you're able to like upload a bond, and you would be able to like see all the key like bond information displayed on the dashboard. Some functionalities that we implemented was a search and filter, which you were able to like filter through different municipal bonds based on like issuer, maturity date, interest rate, and also like other different types of parameters. And just because a majority of these municipal bonds are sensitive information. We implemented a multi-factor authentication just to enhance the security on our web application. And some other functionalities is that you're able to upload a PDF, of course, a municipal bond PDF, and then we'd have a AI extract information from that PDF, pretty much extracting like key financial insight, like I was saying, the issuer maturity and the interest rate. And just for our data validation, we also used regex to help extract information, and that would compare against the AI extracted information just to make sure that all the information that's being extracted is accurate and is pretty much accurate. And for our tech stack, we used for our front end JavaScript and back end Python Django. For our database, we used Postgres. For our hosting platform we used AWS for a majority of our cloud. So the EC2 for hosting, the S3 for file storage, and also the Route 53 for most of our routing. And also for the AI functionality, we use the AWS Bedrock, their Llama model. And then for our CI and CD, we used Travis CI for our backend and GitHub Action for our front end. Some highlights from our project is that we built the entire system from scratch. So we were able to customize pretty much the entire application to our liking, to how we saw best. So that was a key highlight from this project. And some challenges that we faced through our project was just a majority of the PDFs are pretty inconsistent. So coming up with a way to extract all the information was pretty hard because most of the PDFs were pretty different. A majority of them were different. So just those PDF inconsistency. And also we had a lot of we've never used AWS before, so we had a lot of issues just learning how to overcome those failures that were popping up left and right. And also, and pretty much the biggest problem was just the PDF inconsistencies and just coming up with a way where we can extract all that information. And we would say the impact of our web application is that it reduces the amount of time to pretty much review municipal bond documents, where it would have taken you probably a few hours to read through an entire PDF can be done in a few seconds using our web application. And also the thing about our platform is that all of our things are in AWS, so it's easily transferable to the next development team if they want to enhance it. And also, our application just makes municipal bonds a lot easier to understand and a lot more accessible to the average person. So, and I think municipalities can raise a lot more money just because it's more accessible to the average investor. And pretty much what our team learned throughout the project was just a lot of municipal bond. We got a lot of knowledge from municipal bonds and also using AI in production level. And we also learned a lot about AWS infrastructure, such as their hosting platform and their routing.
Right. Thank you so much for Professor Wang and all the stakeholders that helping us for this throughout this project and this school years.